Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the battery widget on Google Pixel phone. This will show you the live stats for the battery. You can check the battery and what percentage it's at, and it's very simple to set up. So I'm gonna remove it so I can show you how to do it. So first go to settings, then go to battery, and then scroll down. You will see battery widget. Click on it, and this will show you how much your Pixel phone, how much, what percentage at, and if you have Pixel bugs connected, is also going to show you how much they're charged, and other devices that are connected to your Google Pixel phone. So you just click add to home, and then this will add it on your home screen. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.